I'm gonna try one of the things that came in my Munch addict box. It was a mystery box, and it's called Usual. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's cheesecake. So let's see. I mean, I wish like I could smell it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And it kind of reminds me of a vanilla wafer, those thingies. The ones that you like put in, what's it called? Banana pudding. Anyway, let's see. 1, 2. You don't really remember? Hold up. Wait a minute. Fig Newtons. Fig Newtons without the fig. But I don't know what that is in the middle. But it's good.